Stop every night nocturnal emissions. Wet dream is a health problem where semen leakage appears during nighttime without the men knowing about it. This might occur after watching erotic content or after an erotic dream, and it offers the same sensation as when a man reaches the climax during intercourse. A major cause of debility in the male reproductive system is frequent nightfall. The problem arises out of excessive hand practice and can be very frustrating. Besides this, if the prostate is congested, seminal fluids pass out easily even on the slightest provocation and excitement. This problem is more common among adolescents when the hormonal changes take place in the bodies. Even at a later age, when males abstain from the lovemaking act, incidences of nightfall are common occurrences. Frequent nightfall can have serious consequences such as low libido, tiredness, and burning sensation around the genital area just after urination. The root causes of frequent nightfall are mainly weak nerves and congested prostate. These reasons cause the involuntary discharge of semen when males see erotic dreams, or else when they get provoked due to slight rubbing. Weak nerves cannot keep the semen locked, as a result of which semen leaks out easily. In this video, you will know how to stop wet dreams every night and cure nocturnal emissions weakness forever.
Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
100% effective solution. NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules are comprised of highly effective potential herbs that are 100% natural and target the causes of nightfall to eradicate the problem. These improve the level of testosterone, energize the nerves around the genital organs, and stop the involuntary seminal discharge. Herbs to cure nightfall. NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules contain ashwagandha, conch beej, shud shilajit, safed musli, kesar, jaifal, and many other herbs that are highly powerful. These herbs enhance the functioning of prostate glands. If you want to know how to get NF Cure and Vital M40 capsule discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Benefits of Wet Dreams Cure Supplements. Along with offering treatment for nightfall, these supplements will cure problems such as less semen, low libido, premature ejaculation, and erectile dysfunction problems in men. It will enhance fertility in men and will also improve their vitality and vigor and help to stop wet dreams in men. It will promote strong arousals in men in such a manner that they can enjoy lovemaking episodes in multiple sessions. The improved blood flow towards the genital organs enhances cell reproduction that helps to get rid of frequent nightfall. Since these supplements are completely natural, men can use them without worrying about side effects. World's finest treatment for nightfall.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy NF Cure and Vital M40 capsule from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.